Whoa. Okay, so I've been seeing a lot of cool streetwear brands and stuff like that popping up online and on Instagram mostly, and I follow quite a few of them. A lot of them are really cool. I've been getting into fashion a lot lately, and I've always been into drawing, and lots of these accounts just straight up draw on clothes and stuff, and it looks like a lot of fun. So I figured, why not try it? Why not me do it too? So me gonna do it too. And I also recently watched this video, which I thought was really cool and nice. And this video is gonna be kind of inspired by that one, so thank you, that one. Also, I've hand drawn and painted on shirts before, and I even sold a few, which felt nice, you know, and it was really fun. So today I'm gonna try it on jeans, which I've never done before, and I think it's gonna be really fun, so I'm excited to try it. So for the pants, the first pair I'm gonna do Zelda jeans, Zelda theme. I'm just gonna draw a bunch of Zelda stuff all over it. So I looked some up on my iPad and got some good pictures and references. I'm gonna start with this one. Okay. I took a little break. I got quite a bit of it done. Oh, I messed up a little and I used some white, but yeah, whatever. Okay, I took another break. Okay. So we about to make another pair of jeans. This is from I Can't Look. I was so happy when I got this. My friend made me this hat. As I said, I got some Sharpies. I re-upped on some Sharpies, some snack. Let's get it. Today, we got some ripped babies. Ripped baby jeans. Should I got them apple ripped bottom baby jeans? Apple baby jeans. I got these for $3. That's so crazy to me. I got my good old Skittles too. Okay, let's get it. Okay, so I did quite a bit of these jeans, hunterxhunter jeans. And they're looking okay, but I'm pretty tired. I think this is it, and I'm gonna go to bed and work on them tomorrow. Yeah, so my quest is finished. I'm happy I finally finished it. Yeah, so if you watched this, I hope you liked it and, try and make something cool. you'll have one-of-a-kind clothes that nobody else in the whole world will ever have. So yeah, make something, have fun. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was good, and I'm gonna make more, so I'll see you around.